The biotics family refers to a group of substances including probiotics, prebiotics, symbiotics, and postbiotics. All these terms have been around for many years, but what we've seen is that their usage has been somewhat imprecise. And that's true in the scientific literature, in the lay press, and on product labels. So to address this, the International Scientific Association for Probiotics and Prebiotics, or ISAP, developed consensus definitions for all of these terms. These definitions are published as open access papers in Nature Reviews, Gastroenterology, and Hepatology. ISAP has used several principles in defining these terms. And first of all of these substances are interventions, so they are intended to be consumed or applied. All of them also require a health benefit. We did not impose restrictions on mechanisms of action, target host, site of action, it's not just the gut, for example, or regulatory category. Many other terms have emerged over the years, including terms such as psychobiotic, immunobiotic, oncobiotic, and the like. And in my opinion, we should resist coining a bunch of new terms because with each term comes the need for a precise, well thought out definition, as well as the potential for misuse. So I prefer instead to modify existing terms. So for example, rather than saying immunobiotic, say a probiotic with that targets immune function. I remember struggling with finalizing the definition of probiotics for the consensus paper. The ISAP definition, which is live microorganisms that, when administered in adequate amounts, confers a health benefit on the host, differs from the FAO definition that was published in 2001 by only 2 commas and by changing which to that. Some might think that this is really an unnecessary or trivial change, but the editor of Nature Reviews insisted that the FAO definition from 2001 was grammatically incorrect and strongly disagreed with keeping it. So ISAP agreed to make the edits in order to revise this definition and move forward with a grammatically correct one. When communicating this definition, I remember Colin Hill used a great example of why such small changes can have a big impact on meaning. And the example he used was comparing 2 phrases. One, let's eat, grandpa, or let's eat grandpa. And you can see that just with such a small change, it has a big change in it. So certainly I think scientists accept and appreciate the importance of precision with these definitions. Thank you.